Tired of Adobe Creative Cloud hogging your system resources and want it gone for good? Let's dive into a super easy and effective way to completely uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud from your computer. Ensuring a clean sweep first, you'll need to close all Adobe applications currently running, like Photoshop or After Effects. Save any work you have open, and simply shut them down. Next, locate the Adobe Creative Cloud application. It's usually in your system tray, down by the clock, or on your desktop. Click on it to open it. Sometimes this application already running in your background, or you have to launch it now. Click the profile icon, generally in the upper right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the profile icon, select Preferences. This will bring up the Creative Cloud Preferences window. In the Preferences window, on the left, should be a list. Click on Apps tab. This will reveal the apps available for installation or already installed, including tools to install or remove. Scroll through the installed apps until you identify Adobe Creative Cloud. The icon for it will be clear and visible. Next to it, you'll see 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots. This will open a small menu. In this menu, select Uninstall. A pop-up window will appear asking if you're sure. Confirm your choice by clicking Uninstall again. Be patient. The uninstall process can take a few minutes, and it will thoroughly remove all the components. Once the uninstallation completes, Adobe Creative Cloud should be completely removed from your computer. To be absolutely sure, and to get rid of those pesky residual files that might still be lingering, it's always a good idea to restart your computer, so that all the files from Adobe Creative Cloud will be removed. No problems, and quick and easy.